One new functionality today. We're going to be doing a daily workout recommendation based on the past 14 days of work. Here it is. That's what I'm going to prompt. Let's go. I'm going to use the plan mode now. And then say anything I'm missing. I just love the plan mode so much. It's when I can just spar ideas. What's missing? Recommendation output contract. The app should return more than... Yep. Okay. Start implementation. Use the recommended plan as well. Deterministic, yes. Reuse readiness role, yes. Authenticated endpoint, like, okay. Add a recommendation card, sounds perfect. Yes, Docker is also running. Coaching app, running fine. And this is 25th of May 2026. Now adding the daily recommendations, packages are changing. Let's see. It's a package file, daily recommendation. That's the TS file, the TypeScript file. Done. Let's run. Exciting. Everything checks out well. Come on. Testing everything. Almost done. Validations are done. I think we're gonna launch now. Web build. Lark. Interesting. No idea what that is. Other models. Yeah, whatever. Now I have Docker running. In the previous video it just failed so bad. Still coming with the recommendations. It's finding stuff like this, fixing it, finding it again, fixing it, running the tests over and over. So this is just going to be the one thing that I'm going to do today. And then on the next week, I'm going to do another new functionality, which is going to be on, okay, so today is the 31st of May, even if that's a thing. Yeah, it is. Yeah. And if you have anything to add, like any recommendations in terms of functionality, let me know. I think we'll be able to run this now. And probably the next time, I just want to deploy this to Azure and make sure the packages are up to date. So next week, let's deploy and make it available to everyone. That's my plan. Yes, continue. Okay, functionality changed. First draft. And maybe make sure the agent returns a plan. I don't want to see if there is a violation. Yeah, sounds good. Okay. Keep all. That's going to be for 1, that's going to be 2, that's going to be 3. Okay. Yep. Foundation prompting. Okay, coaching AI. I don't care about this. This is all done. Da-da-da. Yeah. Okay. Upcoming sprint. We should almost be done. Keep it, make sure I get a training plan. Right, all right. So let's run this locally to test. Should be fine. All done. Yes, sir. Let's see. I don't even know what PNPM is. Performant NPM. All right. Package manager. Of course it is. Yes, let's see. I close the terminal. Yeah, it's... We'll try again. We'll try again. It's gonna run again. Yes. This is gonna run again properly. Then I'll be able to go and reach out to the local host. There we go. Okay. Log in. Nope, not doing that. Let's sync now. Heavy fatigue spike. When did we sync last time? Okay, how ready? Meh. Sleep. Okay. Soreness. Some mood. Good. Not injured, hopefully. Okay, today there's nothing planned. Let's go to coaching. Well, on the dashboard, this is something that I don't want. Okay. Overload, monitor, recovery. Yeah, that makes sense. This is what I did. Last 7 days, afternoon, lunch ride, walk, lunges, and then I did a run. And then the daily recommendation, I want the daily recommendation to be something to be from an AI agent, not something hard-coded. And it should be based on the past weeks, past 7 days efforts, either running or biking. Yeah, that's something that I don't like anyway. Calendar, replace plan. Let's try this. Okay, 10K, moderate. I want that. 3 days. There's no race day, generate draft. Much better. This keeps building. Let's see how the plan is looking like. Half marathon, 3rd week, 28 days left. 4 weeks per session. Yeah, that's what we're replacing. Draft as replacement. So we are improving our 10K plan. I think I should improve my 21K plan. Race day. Yeah, there was a race day back in the time. Now I don't have a race day. This is gonna go on. Yeah, let's see. Weird. And that's the worker. First plan, attempt also generate server plan. Makes sense. Now it says we're gonna run for 4.5K. Then we're gonna do a tempo run, which is like 2 times 6 minutes at zone 4, which should be 2-minute recovery. What's the pace? 11.3K target. Okay. And here it is. Right. Edit parameters. Ambitious. Yeah, let's do that. Weeks of training. We still want that. 8 weeks, generate draft. Let's see one more time. So I think in the roadmap, let's change something. One thing that I want to add is there should be a check-in if the user logs check-in page shown immediately, like a pop-up when the user logs in for the first time that day with nothing selected. Once the user completes the check-in, the daily workout should be modified based on the check-in data with agent with a button. Yeah, let's accept and activate plan. This is our goal, and this is failing big time. Nice. It's because it's, of course. Yeah, this should be done with a button. That's fine. Oh no, we're failing. Come on. That's no bueno. Yeah, still being updated. Okay. Yeah, this is not too bad. I like this. Show today's workout possibly with a tile. I think that's a good one. Final checks are in place. Of course, something failed. Let's see. Sorting the terminal. Generating the patch. I think I made a mistake. Fixed it. Almost done. Connecting to Strava. Rendering, compiling. Sync and match. Okay. Today's session. It's right here. Daily recommendation. Could not load. Interesting. Wonder why. Refresh. That's weird. Okay. Nice. Okay. Today that's it. Tomorrow is a tempo run. This is so what I want to show here will be something like I want to see this as a calendar. Okay. Want to see a calendar view on the dashboard. When I hover on the day, I should see what when I click on a day, yep, sounds good. Allow, coach, goals, target time 1 foot, calendar, pretty cool activities. Okay, another thing is activity history should be grouped by days, also with a calendar view on the calendar showing what activities were done. Yeah, this is coming into something a little bit more interesting now. Goals are here, calendars here, check-ins, meh, dashboard, okay. Mark done. Sync and match. The daily recommendation is not working. Need to fix that later on. Important fix is daily recommendation. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.